Hi, welcome to this video, which will illustrate 3 ways to open an item from the project branch of the Objects panel. We have a PFC 2D project loaded. The name of the project file is shown next to the project branch label. Method 1, right-click and choose Open or Restore. I'll right-click on a plot and I'll observe that the right-click menu shows an item in bold. This is the default action for that item. If I choose it, I open the plot in the workspace. Easy. Method 2. Double-click. The default action just mentioned is the command that occurs when an item on the tree is double-clicked. To illustrate, we'll look at the save files. Here we see that Restore is the item that appears in bold. I'll dismiss the menu, but I'll double-click on the item, and it's restored. I can see that in 3 ways. The console output. The item is now listed in bold to indicate that it is the current model state, and the label of the model state branch indicates that that's the file that's active as well. Method 3, drag and drop. This is the newest method of opening items. Simply drag and drop an item into the workspace. We'll do this slowly. I'm going to start a drag but not release to make 3 points along the way. The first is that the cursor indicates when a drop may and may not occur. Right now, it may not. Now, a drop is possible. The second is that, as you just saw, the target of the drop operation is highlighted. The third thing to point out is that there are 5 possible targets for a drop. The center of the window, as we see here, or the top, the right, the bottom, or the left. When choosing the center, the content that you're dragging will replace the current window content. If any of the outside locations are chosen, a new split is performed on the window in the target location, and the item is dropped into it. I'll release the mouse button now, and we'll see how that works. So those are the 3 methods for opening items from the project branch of the Objects panel. As you can see, they each open items from the tree, but with trade-offs. The right-click method is clearest, probably, and the double-click method is fastest. However, with double-click, you have to remember which workspace window is active, because that is where a double-click command will occur. The drag and drop method is slowest, most explicit, and provides the convenience of the drag and split operation, which is the fastest way to load content into split workspace windows. That's it for this video. Thanks for joining. We'll see you in the next one.